Hey guys, it's Catherine, and it's been a month. It's been a month since I've uploaded, and I'm sorry for that. I thought during the holidays I was gonna have time to upload, but I was lazy, first of all, and second of all, I was actually pretty busy, so I didn't have time to film. I'm sorry for that, but now I'm back and I'm coming at you with this colorful eye look. And in today's look, I used the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. It's this cute little palette. It was 35 bucks Canadian, and yeah, I decided to get this one instead of the other three that are in this collection because I don't really have that many high-end colorful shadows, and I wanted to try to expand my collection and be really creative with my eye looks, and that's what I tried today, and it looks pretty good if I say so myself. Am I like exposed right now? I might have been a little exposed. Hopefully I fixed the lighting situation a little bit better. Yeah, if you want to see how I got this eye look, then keep on watching. Okay, so a couple of days ago I did this eye look, and you might have seen it if you follow me on Twitter or Instagram. And yeah, I just wanted to film the look for you guys because a lot of people liked it and I like it, so I'm gonna film it for you. And I'm gonna be using all the colors that are on my eye from this Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in the Electric palette. And oh, it's called Electric Obsession. Sorry, I didn't phrase that properly. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's one shade, which is the red shade, is actually very crumbly, but it's beautiful once you put it on the eyes. It's not really like a deep red shade unless you really work at it. And I did use it in my eye look. As you can see, I did one eye already just to have a reference. So I'm going to be starting out by taking this fuchsia pink purpley color, and I'm going to take it with a big fluffy brush and use it as my transition. So I'm going to use that as the transition shade, and I'm just going to put it above the crease. I'm going to go in because I'm doing kind of a halo eye. I didn't put enough, cool. And I'm going to drag it out a bit also. This look is actually really easy to do. Like, I know it looks complicated because I use a lot of colors, but it's really easy. And because I'm using colorful eyeshadows, you don't need this palette to do this look. Like, you can literally just take any palettes that have these colors and just recreate it with those, I mean. So I'm just going to keep on adding until I get the pigmentation I want and the blend that I want. I'm still working on trying to get the colors right in the camera, so bear with me. Next, I'm going to be taking the red shade with this kind of brush. I don't know what you would call it. What did they call it? Elf blending eye brush. So yeah, I'm going to take that with the red color. And with this red color, I'm going to put it at the outer corner of the eye, like pack it. And then I'm going to start blending it into the crease. Now again, it doesn't matter if you're messy with it because we're going to be blending it. And I'm just going to drag that into the inner corner as well because, like I said, we're kind of going to do a halo eye. And as you can see, it kind of looks more pink than red, but that's okay because I just need a darker pink. Also, before filming this video, you saw that I did my eyebrows and I had set my eyes already. For my eyebrows, I actually sprayed my brush, so I used the NYX brush, I think, or the e.l.f. brush, I can't remember, but the eyebrow brush, and I sprayed it with rose water and then dipped it into my Anastasia pomade, and it worked so much better than when I use it dry. Like, I don't know why, but it did, and my eyebrows turned out more symmetrical than usual, so I was like, okay, I see you. I'm gonna go in with the same blending brush that I put the transition shade, and I'm gonna use that to blend the two colors together, but I didn't put any more product on it. I'm just using whatever is left on it. So I'm just gonna blend this out. Am I still in the frame? Yes. I'm gonna blend this out. And once I see that it's starting to blend, I'm gonna go back in with the same transition shade and just blend it even further. Okay, so the hard part is done. Like, I'm not even joking, that's the hardest part of this look. Now I'm gonna go in with my flat top brush and spray both sides. Now that I sprayed this, I'm gonna go in with this purple sparkly shade, and I'm gonna put that at the center of my lid. I just wanna make sure I'm still in focus. Okay, so I'm gonna just apply that to the center of my lid. Just like that. These colors are so nice and super blendable, like I love it. So I really didn't put a lot, but now I'm gonna go in with the same brush. I'm gonna take this turquoise shade. Hold on, I gotta hold this properly. I'm gonna take this sparkly turquoise shade and put it at the center, right on top of that purple eyeshadow. And this is just gonna create another dimension to the look, and it just makes the look really cool. And it's just fun to play with colors, honestly. Like, even if it doesn't turn out nice, if you're trying to do a colorful look, it's just fun. Why not? Why don't try it? So now I'm going to go in with that same blending brush that I put the red with, and I'm just going to use that to blend the purple eyeshadow together. And as you can see, it kind of got lost with the shadow, so I'm going to go back in and apply more purple eyeshadow on top, if I can find the brush. Okay, cool. So like I've been saying, this look is really just about having fun and being creative with your eyeshadow. So now I'm going to take the same blending brush that I've been using, and I'm going to go in with this yellow shade, and that's what's going to create this kind of transition from pink to orange to yellow. And it's about to be real cute. So I'm just going to go on top of that pink transition shade and just start blending it. So this is going to help it create a seamless line from the eyeshadow to my eyebrow, and it's also gonna make, like I said, that transition from pink to orange to yellow. And this part you kind of want to work at it, because if you blend it too much, then the pink goes away, and then you're just gonna have to add more pink to your look. And it's just about working at it and like getting to where you want your look to be. So as you can see on this eye, I feel like I lost most of the pink and it kind of just looks orange now. So what I'm gonna do is go back in with that same, I almost knocked off my mirror, back in with that same e.l.f. blending brush with just a tiny bit of the red, and put that where the red was, so at the outer corner, and blend it on top into the crease and to the other side. So you're going to use a very light hand with this, because you don't want it to be too heavy where you can't blend it again. So light hand. And then you're going to go back in with that blending brush and just blend that with the rest of the colors. You're not going to add any more eyeshadow onto the brush. You're just going to blend. I lied before. The hardest part is making sure your eyeshadow looks even on both eyes. Now I'm just going to take my mini Marc Jacobs eyeliner and put that on my upper waterline. And now what I'm going to do is do the rest of my face and then come back to you guys to do my lower lash line. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into my palette and take this hot pink shade and my e.l.f. smudger brush, and I'm just going to smudge that color underneath my lower lash line. So I'll show you on this eye now, since I haven't done it. I'm just gonna smudge it underneath. Now that I've smudged it, I'm gonna go in with my fluffy brush that I've been using for everything, and I'm not gonna add any color. Whatever's on it, I'm gonna use it, and I'm just gonna blend it a little bit, but I want to try to keep the brush very close to the lower lash line so I don't smudge it too low. And I just want to make sure that the pink goes all the way towards the inner corner. Like that. Perfect. Now I'm going to take my black eyeliner, the Marc Jacobs one, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. And now what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I did the rest of my face. So now I'm going to go back in with the same highlighter I used. So I used the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and I used the shade, which one is it? Lightning Dust, this one. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this one now, which is Fire Crystal, and put that on my inner corner and under my brow bone. I'm gonna do the same thing to my other eye and come back because my battery is about to die. So I just spent like 10 minutes trying to put on false eyelashes, but I haven't put them on myself and God knows how long, so that's not really working out. So we're gonna stick with all this mascara that I put on. I put a shit ton on, but alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Please let me know what kind of looks you want to see me do and what kind of videos you want to see me do, because I need more inspiration to motivate me to actually film these videos while I'm in school, because I think that was a big factor of me not filming. I wasn't motivated because I didn't know what to film. So yeah, you guys need to help me out in that, and I think we're done. So yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys.